Hello and happy Friday. I hope everyone had a awesome Thanksgiving. We had tons of food, plenty of leftovers, so that's a good thing. No cooking today, just warm it up. I am celebrating my 500 subscriber giveaway. Yesterday I reached 500 subscribers and I kind of waited. I have gone over. I think I'm at 504, so I think I'm going to stay, hopefully. I'm going to do several giveaways. I don't know how many, see how many I can get done. And I will do that giveaway before the end of December. I'll try to make it the middle of the month. That way I have time to mail, because around the holidays it's not good to mail stuff. So what my giveaway will be made of will be from my daughter's kits. And let me move them all to the side. And this is from kits from my daughter Heather. She is Woodland Silver. And these are her Christmas rabbits. I just got to print them out. And they are like super cute. I printed on cream cardstock because I already know what I'm going to make. So there's 14 pages, including this cover page. So that's the cover page. That could be used too. And then there's this page here. So they would fold this way. Super cute. I love the colors. This page here. This page here. We both love bunnies. I know there's a lot of you out there that love bunnies as well. Super cute. I love that there's writing space here. There's space here for writing. This page here. Oops. I have to adjust my camera. There's a page here. Did it say how many? No. This is the first time me seeing it. I just got done printing everything. But yeah, this has a lot of little bits that could be cut out. Really cute. Little accent pieces. This page here. Beautiful. Super cute. Oh, I love these bunnies. How cute are these bunnies? So cute. So folded. Yeah, she's got them oriented so that you can enjoy them both. One looking that way and one, love it. This page here. This is cute. I love it. Oop. Bunch of tags here. Love the tags. Just love it. So pretty. Yep. These would be great for background, and then you have some with images on them as well. Then you have a library pocket and card. How cute. So cute. And then two scallop corner pockets. I just can't get enough. Adorable. So adorable. So there's that one. That one is the Christmas rabbits. 14 total, including the cover page. I like the cover page. I like that she does that. So there's that one. Then we have Christmas birds. And I wrote down on the back how many pages. 15 pages including the cover sheet. And she has 10 pages and then 1 library pocket with card, 10 small tags, 4 postcards, 8 art trading cards. I love the birds. It's beautiful. And I printed on cream cardstock as well. So I'll be making something from the rabbit kit, this kit, and another kit. Beautiful design. I love the deckled edge. This one here. I'm just seeing this, I just printed real quick. Look how cute. Adorable. Just adorable. Yep. Love the colors. This one here. Beautiful. This one's pretty too. Love that Christmas tree. It's so vintage. It looks vintage. This one here. It has dotted lines here for writing space. More writing space down here. This page here. Pretty. Love the greenery. Library pocket and card. So cute. Love that little bird. Yep. And then we have tags. 10 tags. Very nice. And then we have cards here. Postcards. 4 postcards. And then these are, the next one is the trading cards. 8 trading cards. These are a nice size. So I'll probably be using these for my altered paper clips. Love them. So that is Christmas birds. And then the next kit that I will be making something for the giveaway. I've already shared this kit. You can look back a few videos. This is a huge kit. You can make a lot out of this kit. There are 40 pages including the cover sheet. And this is the kit here. So I've already shown this, so it's huge. There's a lot there. You can make a lot with this kit. So I'm not going to go through that, but I will be doing something for the giveaway out of this kit as well. Oops, sorry about that. Then she has started on spring. She has 2 spring kits. One is, I didn't print them all. And did I write on there? No, I did not. This one I did 16 pages. I don't know how many pages is on this one. Probably roughly around the same. This one is for the tall skinny journal. And it's Watercolor Wildflowers Skinny Journal Kit. And I wish I wrote on the back of this one, but there's 16 pages including the cover sheet. You could actually use the cover sheet as well. So I haven't had time to print that, but these are in her shop. I'm really mainly working on Christmas stuff, and the Christmas stuff will be in my giveaway. I'm not going to work on spring yet, but she is starting on spring, so I'm excited about that. So there's that, and she also made, let's see here, she made me some, and this is available in her shop as well, index cards. They're so that I can write my thank yous for my thank yous. I printed it on cream, and I printed it on white paper. It's a thicker paper. It's meant for high quality paper that I got at Staples. So I have that so that when I write my thank yous for my Etsy, I have something, because I love the hummingbirds. So you can get this in her shop as well to print. So there's that. All right, that is my share for today. The only other thing, I've had a lot of questions about my shop. I am going to keep it closed through the end of the year, just to give myself time with the holidays, and to be able to do some reorganizing. I had trouble getting some glue. I did get some glue in, so I want to take time to do the giveaways and finish up my Christmas journals. So that's what I'll be working on. So I'm not going to advertise in my description giveaway, because that just adds to chaos and shenanigans. So I will do like a surprise thing. But my daughter's Etsy shop is Woodland Silver, and I know a lot of you have gone over there and shown her some love, and I really appreciate it. You all are amazing, and I can't believe I'm at 500 subscribers. I'm not really shooting for any kind of goal or anything like that. I'm just having fun, and crafting really helps me with my fibromyalgia, keeps me from laying in my bed all day. So, and I really enjoy doing it, and I enjoy all the friends I have met online. Everybody is just awesome. So that's it. All right, I gotta go make dinner. I just want to come on and say thank you to all who have subscribed, watch my videos, comment. Thank you so much. Have an awesome weekend. Bye.